Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen? I'm currently not in space, but I'm on a Europe trip here in Croatia, and oh, what an amazing view I have. As you might know, I also flew over to IBC in Amsterdam while I was on a vacation. If you follow me on Instagram or if you checked out the previous video, you might know that. And I worked together with Adobe to create some awesome social videos and also to see all their new exciting updates they're bringing to Adobe Premiere Pro and all the other Creative Suite products. As you might have realized in this video, I'm not going to bring you a tutorial, but I'm going to bring you something more exciting, a chance to win up to $10,000. I am partnering up with Adobe to bring you an awesome contest where you can win up to $10,000, which is just crazy, just by remixing a trailer for the new Terminator franchise. The hashtag for this contest will be Create Your Fate, and here is a little example that I have made using their assets.
My name is Sarah Connor. August 29, 1997. It was supposed to be Judgment Day. But I changed the future. Saved 3 billion lives. Enough of a resume for you?
No. You may have changed the future, but you didn't change our fate.
When this is all over, I am going to kill you.
I understand.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to create your own version, it can be a rom-com version, a complete comedy, just your own version of this trailer. And yeah, the goal is just to be very creative. Check out the link in the description below and find out all the details about this contest. It is very important that you will be using the Adobe products such as Premiere or Rush. So for the countries that are available to join this contest, I will show you that right now on the screen. If you don't live in one of these countries, that's very unfortunate, but Belgium is also not listed, so yeah, hopefully next time. It's also very important that you're over the age of 18 in order to join. And apart from that, that's basically it. This contest will end at the 6th of October, so definitely join as fast as possible as it will be ending pretty soon. For the grand prize, what you can win, so the first winner will get $10,000, 1 year Creative Cloud for free, a private screening of Terminator Dark Fate with you and 50 friends, a movie poster signed by the cast, and a chance to showcase your work at Adobe Max, which is just crazy, really. This is gonna give so many opportunities to the people that are going to be joining this contest, so I wouldn't miss a chance. Even if you're a beginner, you can create some amazing stuff. It doesn't matter how skilled you are at the specific software, it all matters on how creative you are, and it all comes down to this. Every creative person in the world all starts with a blank page. So you too, and the most famous people in the world as well. So you definitely have a chance at this. Check out the link in the description below, and I wish you all the best of luck and may the best win. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'm going back to the beaches here in Croatia. It's really amazing, and yeah, if you're interested, I will be posting a travel video of this once I'm done editing, but it's a lot of work because I went through a lot of countries. Anyway, take care and see you soon. Goodbye.